Where to eat in Disneyland? Tara, atong istoryahan. Guys, medyo mahal gyud ang food sa Disneyland. In our standards ha, this one that we tried cost us 1,500 pesos each lang naman. What? So guys, this is the price reference there sa Hong Kong Disneyland guys ha. So this meal, the half chicken is 165 USD. So this one is 160 USD. So same sila price but with drinks na siya. There are several restaurants that is available inside and lain-lain lang og concept. You can also check sa Disneyland app sa ilang menus. The one that we tried is sa Royal Banquet Hall. Mao man guni ang pinakadako ug ang pinakadaghan sad og choices. We book our meal through Klook on the spot na gyud kay pagtan-aw man gud namo mas maka-save mi og 500 pesos in total. Plus included na pagyud sa package ang Mickey Mouse ice cream. Ang nakanindot bitaw sa Klook kay pwede ra jud ka diha-diha dayon nimo i-book and confirmation within seconds lang. We paid only 2,473 lang tungod sa discount code nga lumadsib 1 o'clock instead of paying 3,000 pesos. Kung on the spot mini bayad. Follow for more travel tips.